Welcome back to NYSE Live. Crypto takes yet another big step into the mainstream. Fidelity Investments is marking the launch of its new Fidelity Solana fund. It listed earlier this week on NYSE Arca. And joining me now is today's bell ringer, Cynthia Lobaset, head of digital asset management at Fidelity Investments. Cynthia, welcome.
Thank you so much for having me here today this morning.
So I understand it's not your first time up at the podium, but it was your first time pressing the button, ringing the bell. You seem so excited and joyful. What was that moment like for you?
Oh, I gotta say, in addition to the culmination of a couple of years of amazing work from a team of people across Fidelity, as well as our ecosystem partners in bringing this product to market, there was that memory, and then just the rush of energy from all of the people that we have here today joining us in the bell ringing. It's so exciting to be able to welcome this product to market.
And what does it mean to be doing it at the New York Stock Exchange?
There's something very, very historic and monumental about this institution and the building here and the room that we were just in, where we were welcoming everybody ahead of the bell ringing ceremony, was the original trading floor for which brokers used to come and trade all of the securities that were available on the market. And as we think about what's happened with technology driving an increase in the number of issuers and the size of the markets, but also access to individuals to be able to participate in markets, the NYSE has been at the center of being able to facilitate that access, and now bringing this product to market and introducing investors to digital assets and a whole new ecosystem in which financial transactions can take place. This is a further expansion of access and availability of investment solutions to investors. We're really excited to be a part of that.
And I understand that Fidelity also has Bitcoin and Ether ETFs. Why Solana and why now?
This is the continuing expansion of our product roadmap, which really reflects what we're hearing from investors in wanting to get access and increasing the breadth of that access across this ecosystem. What is specifically exciting for us about this product that we brought to market this week is the ability to offer not just exposure to the asset, but full participation in the Solana ecosystem through staking, which is such an important part of how the blockchain is able to function.
That's right. This was approved with staking, which I understand is a pretty big deal. Can you talk about what that is for a viewer who might be new to the crypto space?
Sure. Staking is actually the process by which transactions are validated for inclusion in the blockchain, which represents the database of all of the transactions for participants across the network. What staking does is, for validators, they deposit a portion of their tokens into the network as a security to be able to demonstrate their good faith in participating in validating transactions according to the rules of the blockchain. That is how security is achieved across all of the decentralized validators on the network.
We have just about a minute left, but if you want to start investing in crypto, how can you educate yourself? What would you recommend to someone?
So we have across Fidelity actually quite a breadth of educational information from research papers that are written across all of the different components of the ecosystem, as well as short videos to really bring down to regular people's terms the ability to understand what this ecosystem is about, how to think about growth and investing across the ecosystem.
All right, is there anything you want to leave us with today? Any final thoughts?
We are so excited for the future ahead, and in the next year, as we continue to build out our product roadmap to increase the ability for our investors to get access to the ecosystem, look out for more opportunities, and we are really very happy to be able to bring these new products to market.
Cynthia Lobaset from Fidelity, thank you so much for joining us, and congratulations.
Thank you so much again.
We are going to go to a break. Stay tuned.